Hello guys, do you want to create this video inside text edit with InShot? Keep watching and stick around till the end of the video. Create a new project with a blank video. Go to canvas and change the background to white. Increase the duration to around 10 seconds. Now add your text. You can use your preferred font. Increase the text size to fill the video. Extend the text to the end. Now export the video. Create a new project with your main video. Go to PIP and overlay the text video. Tap blend and select lighting. And that's it. So here is the final result. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more video editing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.